President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. has appointed Secretary of Justice Jesus Crispin Boying Remulla as the new Ombudsman of the Republic of the Philippines following the completion of the term of the Honorable Samuel R. Martires in July. Secretary Remulla has served as the 59th Secretary of Justice since June 2022. Under his leadership, the Department of Justice advanced major reforms to modernize the justice system, decongest prisons, accelerate case resolution, and expand access to legal services. His decades of service as a legislator, governor, and lawyer have earned him broad respect for his integrity and commitment to public service. The administration remains firm in its commitment to fight corruption wherever it exists, as Ombudsman Remulla is expected to uphold transparency, strengthen anti-corruption measures, and ensure that justice is administered fairly and efficiently. There will be no sacred cows, no exemptions, and no excuses. Public office is a public trust, and those who betray it will be held accountable. President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. reaffirms that transparency, fairness, and the rule of law will remain the guiding principle of this administration's pursuit of a bagong Pilipinas that truly serves the Filipino people.